Hello friends, today we are going to prepare tomato chutney. It is also called tomato sauce. The appliance needed for this recipe is a NutriBullet to blend the tomatoes. The ingredients you need for this recipe are tomatoes 5 medium chopped, cooking oil 1/4 cup, cumin seeds 1/4 teaspoon, mustard seeds 1/4 teaspoon, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1/2 teaspoon, curry leaves 4 to 5, green chilies 3 slitted, salt as per the taste. I prefer vine tomatoes because they are juicy and bright. Blend the chopped tomatoes in the NutriBullet. Add the cooking oil to the pot and let it heat for a few seconds. Add the cumin seeds and the mustard seeds. And let them crackle. You would need to add the tomato puree into the pot now and add the turmeric powder, red chili powder and keep stirring. The tomato chutney is ready to serve now. It goes really well with white rice or chapati or pita bread.